I like trying to like try to do my head, but like I'm just like so I have written in my journal. No way. There's no way. Like there's like, oh my god, I feel like I'm on 1%, but oh my god, you're a hundred. Oh my god, you're a 100%. Oh my god. And nobody was like, I put my headphones.
I love these glasses so much, but I can't wear them because this side has a scratch on it, and that's so bad for your eyes to wear glasses that are damaged. That can ruin your eyesight. Don't want to do that. But I need to order a new set. I've had these for a couple years. These are prescribed. I think I've had them for almost 3 years. Yeah, I have new like clear ones because I couldn't find these ones. I feel like it fits my face perfectly. Love the two-tone. Love them so much. But I can't wear them, so I'm going to take them off because it's going to give me a headache because it's damaged on the side. So I need to take them off. Parked at Whole Foods, so I'm going to run in and grab a few things and then get going, get my day started. I wanted to make some stuffed shells. I haven't had them in so long, and I want to make them for Iftar today. It's going to be so delicious. I'm excited. Stuffed shells with mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, and ricotta, and fresh marinara sauce. I cannot wait. Cannot wait. Oh, and chopped spinach. I like to add it with it as well to get your greens in. You feel me? So excited. It's gonna be so delicious. It's gonna come out good. But I cannot find my good like big pan that I bake it with. So I'm gonna have to use something else or get something else. If you guys are wondering what I'm filming with, I love it so much. This is a Canon V10. It's very compact, tiny little camera, but the quality is really, really lovely. You can just throw it in your bag. You can't even tell that it's a camera. It's so it's so small. I love it so much. And it has a little built-in little tripod that you can just set it down at any time. I love it. I'm making stuffed shells.